Today I'm going to introduce you to a free coding assistant tool called Code. So this is currently the best free open source AI agent. And in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can install and use Code and build a complete website. So here you just need to go to this link kilo.ai. I will also give this link in the description. And if you go down here in the Code, you will find around 500 plus models in Code. So I haven't found or I don't know any AI assistant that can give us so many models. So here, if I now go at the top here, you will see the pricing option. If I now click on pricing, here you can see the pricing is $0, and with $0 you can use over 500 AI models, and there is no limit of how much you can use it. So you can use it inside VS Code, JetBeans, or you can also use Code in CLI as well. So here you will see this option, get started with Kilo. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to click here install Kilo. So let's click here install Kilo and it will show you multiple options. So in this tutorial we are going to install Code in the CLI. So I'm going to click here CLI. And in order to install Code using CLI, you need to have Node.js installed. So in order to install Node.js, you need to open another tab and you just need to search over here Node.js. Press enter and here you can see nodejs.org. So from here, just click on download and then you need to click here. So it will download the exe file. You just need to install that exe file and Node.js will be installed in your system. So installing Node.js is really simple, just like other software. So in order to check whether you have Node.js installed or not, you can just go to your Windows search option, then write over here cmd, and here you can see command prompt. So here if we just say node dash dash version, then press enter. So here you see the Node.js version. If you see the Node.js version, it means Node.js is installed properly. So since we already have Node.js installed, so right now we can just directly copy this command. So I'll just copy this, and after copying this command, I will just go to my command prompt. So I'll just go to the Windows search option, right over here cmd. Here you can see command prompt. Click on this, and here we're going to give this command npm install -g at the rate of Code CLI. So it will install Code CLI globally in our system using Node.js. So right now I'm going to press enter. So it will take 20 to 30 seconds to install, and there you can see it is installed. So right now, in order to see the Code CLI, we just need to say over here Code, then press enter. So this is how the Code CLI looks like. There you can see. So here you can see you have the code option. If I just say over here /models and then press enter, you will see all the models over here. And here you can see for the free models, you will see the a free option on the right side. There you can see. So by default, it will choose the Minimax M2.1 because this is the best version in Code. And if you want to see all the models, you need to press over here Ctrl+A, and you will see all the models over here that is available. But not all of them is free, but most of them is free. Okay. So it is recommended to log in using Gateway, and login is completely free, don't worry. And even without login, you can still use Code. So let me just close this, and right now let me just open a folder. Let's just go and create a simple project. So I'll just right click on new, click on folder. Let's say folder name will be Code, name it anything. Let's go inside, and here we are going to say cmd, press enter, and here I am going to say Code, then press enter. So it will open the Code CLI over here since Code is globally installed. So our CLI open in this folder. So right now in this folder, let's go and create a simple HTML project. So let's say I want to build a portfolio website for a web developer in HTML. Okay, in HTML. So here you can see code option. So if I now press on tab, it will go to the plan mode. So right now we'll stay in the plan mode, and we're going to press enter. So KiloCode will make a plan for us. So it will ask for a few questions. So I'll choose the first option, help me create the bio. Then the styling will be plain CSS, and pages, let's say single page, and I'm going to press enter. So right now, based on those answer, it will make a plan for us. And there you can see planning is complete, and it took 1 minute 15 seconds to complete the plan. I'm okay with the plan. So right now I'm going to press on tab and it will go to the code mode. And here we are going to say go with the plan. Then press enter. So it will start creating the index.html files over here. And there you can see it is complete and it created a simple index.html and CSS file. So let me just minimize this and let's open it. So let me just right click here and there you can see it created a simple portfolio website for us. And it took only 1 minute 50 seconds to build something like this. Here you will see all the time, how long it took. So yeah, this is how you can install and use KiloCode, and KiloCode is completely free. There is a lot of free model you can use, and I think it is actually better than opencode as well. So yeah, I hope this tutorial was useful. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.